Hi, this is Beatriz Elizaga, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit more tips of use of the next five essential oils. The first one we're gonna talk about is called lavanda. Lavanda is a very universal essential oil, traditional, known to provide emotional balance with feelings of well being, serenity, peace, and love. It helps on the nervous and cardiovascular and emotional systems. And I'm gonna give you three tips of use. You can apply direct on the skin. It's acting as a good moisturizer and healing. It's very good for burns and insect bites. Aromatically, you can smell it from the bottle. You can diffuse in the air through a cold diffuser, and you can put a drop in the palm of your hands according to the moment. It's a very tranquilizer, so it's ideal to help you to fall asleep. Internally, it will be on an empty capsule, for example, to treat an infection in the bladder or even in cases of candida. The blend, known as air, is a blend which contains the essential oils of lemon, peppermint, eucalyptus, maleuca, it's known as a tea tree, cardamom, laurel, and ravensara. Purifies and calms the respiratory tracts, relieving the respiratory discomfort, fights the symptoms of allergies, and helps in cases of asthma, sinusitis, bronchitis, and lung infections. This mixture can be only used two ways: topically, which can means you can apply that on the skin. For example, you can add a drop on your chest, and aromatic. You cannot take it internally, so I'm gonna give you two tips to use it daily. As we say, you can apply it on the chest. You can apply one drop in the back on the soles of your feet, and aromatic, you can inhale from the bottle, in the air on a diffuser, or direct in the palm of your hands and inhale deeply. It's a natural antibiotic, quite strong and very effective. It supports the immune and respiratory systems. Oregano. Oregano is, as the father of the medicine, Hippocrates, he used it in many traditional but also in modern uses. Its aroma, it gives an special place in the kitchen to give that touch of oregano in a tomato sauce, for example. This is a tip to take it internally, but being pure, its aroma and flavor can be super strong for the taste of some people. So we recommend using on an empty capsule with only a drop and take it internally, because it will help when there are some intestinal parasites or even candida. The other form of use is topical, and I advise you to dilute it on a drop on a coconut fractionated oil and apply directly on the affected area. It goes well when it's eczemas or some acne, some verrugas, some stuff that you don't want to see, so it helps. It's very potent and it will basically burn the vena or uh, verruga. So, as we recommend, you can actually, help with you apply on the hand. It will help in times of rheumatism, Ebola virus, inflammation. Aromatic, again, you can smell it from the bottle. You can diffuse on the air to treat viral infections such as flu or pneumonia. Maleuca is known for as a tea tree and is being used for centuries as a cure for bones, cuts, and skin infections. It's an excellent wound healer and can heal wounds and ulcers that do not heal. It fights parasites, fungus, and boils, and is effective against sore throats and earaches. Three tips for its topical use. Apply direct on the affected area or on the soles of the feet. For its aromatic use, you can diffuse in the air or inhale directly from the bottle, and internally, you should take an empty capsule. And finally, an extraordinary blend of deep blue, the Sportsman Ali. It's a blend of alkaloid essential oils. It's a blend of camphor, wintergreen, peppermint, ylang, blue chamomile, helichrysum, blue tansy, and osmanthus essential oils. Known to combat muscular pain, relieve joint pain, and sciatic pain. It is used for situations of varicose veins, bad circulation, hernias, but also tendinitis, arthritis, arthrosis, and fibromyalgia. The two tips I give you for its topical use, because aromatic has no effect and cannot be taken internally. For its topical use, dilute 5 drops in a tablespoon of coconut oil and apply on the affected area. Or another tip, you can have a bath of hot water with Himalayan salt and add 10 drops of deep blue and 5 drops of peppermint. So here we have the solution for our daily issues. So with these 10 essential oils that you have with your home kit or your family kit, you do not need to take one more antibiotics. Let's go back to the same medicine that our grandmothers here from nature. And here we have the solution with 100% essential oils with a therapeutic grade. So please, if any question, any doubts, please reach out and I will come back to you soon as possible. Thank you very much, and I wish you to stay as healthier and happier as you want.